morning. It is a pleasure to warmly welcome you all this morning to the Embassy of Japan. Today, on behalf of the Japanese government of Japan, I am pleased to sign over a grant of up to $176,878 US to Apolima Island Community Village Council. This grant will go towards the construction of single-story safe house with one large room, two small rooms, one storage, one kitchen, 4 toilets, 4 shower rooms, and 3 4-kiloliter water tanks in Apolima Island to secure the proper facility in the event of natural disaster, such as cyclone, for the residents and contribute to the improvement of disaster management skills. Congratulations to your village council and all the best with the next phase of the project. I've never been to Apolima yet, so I really look forward to visiting your island once this project is completed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Ambassador, for your remarks. So now may I, Ambassador and the village mayor, to sign on the document, please. So please be seated and in the files, and you'll find your name on the paper. So please just to sign on your name. Once finished, maybe you can.
Oh, I think you signed on the wrong side.
Oh. Okay, so later. Okay, later. Just say.
じゃあこっち。あ、あれでやるね。あれ。どこにするの？
見てるふりだけでお願いします。
すみません。
はい。これも使えないんだよね。
そうです。はい。
またやります。
Okay.
Thank you very much. So maybe could you stand up and show your file and shake hand and the photo session for the videos. Thank you very much for the kindness. Please be seated. And now may I request the village mayor to give us a few words, if you have. Thank you very much. Okay, yes, yes, sure.
For President and the office of the secretaries of Japan here in beautiful Samoa, we are very grateful that this project for such a remote island of Samoa has been approved, funded by the government of Japan. We are the people of Upolu Island feel privileged to be recognized an year, especially for climate change around us, upon us, and against us. But through the approval of project, we are encouraged to continue being resilient. Furthermore, this project strengthens the good friendship between your great nation Japan and our nation Samoa, as well as our remote island Manono and Apolima. Thank you very much. Thank you very
much for your kind words. Well, that basically brings us to the end of the signing ceremony. Thank you very much for coming. And now may I ask, oh, sorry, finally for the photo session for all together, I believe it's I thought it's very important.
And could you guys look over here? Mone, Ata, Tashi, Rua, Tolu. 1, 2, 3, Tashi, Tashi.
What's going on? The doors aren't opening. ia piolenganga mo makau ia masisi mana whaonga i o mako kana maro ia kusai male malo si o se le o matu o wai ni kai apo ia le
se fai tau fa io lo malo le tunu o lo ala pa ai a ko ni mata
se na se la mo tu kaka ka ma ko mai
la se tu lo a fiango a ko ni mata swing on tau fa no what's for so no se vai no le se le ne se suani ona ia fiango swing on tau de malo le tu
ia ke le asu ma ko ni la mo ma le fa ofa o le kusala ke ni sa ma ka mai le ma ko mo ke o vai le ka mi le vas fu le ngi a ko si le e o vai on ma ko mo e se la o le se kai ka folo le si o le se ma ka fa o nga le la kwa a ngo o ma ko fu dan na ya le si no si le kai o vai ko ya la lo fia a ko ma ko ma kai fa de sa ya ai el día se o le o fa ya ka na a se o ma ko yo ma le mi ai ma se de fa ai ma se de fa ya ko na lo yo le wa fu sa fa ka vai fu na ma lo la o le ya be o sti na ma ko a mi na ma ko na ma ya se so sa la ka ya o me fu no a fa ya ke lo ma ko sa ka fe wa ala ko ya lo fu sa ma la ya se va fa fu ka na si ya na ko fa ya ka de ma ko mi fi la mo le se mi fa ma ko a ba ko me fa de su fa ya ma fa de a ya fa na o ma ko
o taimi nei la le o tamiti I Apoli moto
le ka sa ma mai ka
any questions yeah to the one from my email to the level
Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. We often wonder why. But after generations and generations, I'm telling you, it has always been that way. Of course, things don't always turn out the way you expect. But who's complaining, right? Because these waters are not just special. They make everything better. As for me, this is my natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Tai a oe ona tausa ilisa tupe mo maliu. Fai poiponga a onga le whanau. Ta avale, ho o se whale fōu.
Here's a
lo na kapa wa vili magai le wa bawa. Kopi manguele kapungia, koperi ro pe bawa ngai. A feel my nei loyal Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tupe bavi. Oi le. Ah, saka ko le whainga ruenga. Federal Pacific Finance, serving Samoa's financial needs.
Welcome to today, on behalf of the government of Japan, I am pleased to sign over a grant of up to $197,313 to Salua Primary School Committee. This grant will assist the Salua Primary School Committee in reconstructing 6 new classrooms, a staff room, a library, and a principal's room, as well as a new toilet block, in order to provide a safe and healthy educational environment and improve the quality of basic education service for Salua students and teachers. Congratulations to your school committee and all the best in the next phase of the project. A few minutes ago, I said that I've never been to Apia, but I also never been to North, so I'm really looking. I always see these 2 islands when I go to Savai'i, and I always wanted to go there, so I'm looking forward to visiting your island when this project is completed. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ambassador, for your remarks. So please be seated. And now may I ask the Ambassador and the President to just sign on the document. Your part is
I sign.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Sign on the line, please. So after signing on the paper, maybe you can change. Okay, and one more sign. Very much for signing. So may I ask to stand up and show the file, shake
Photo
hand,
session.
and photo session for the media. Oh, maybe two of them are later read out.
Can I have you guys look over here? Kasanga me iwa mole le fioma, tasi lua tolu, tasi lua tolu, tasi lua tolu. Kotai.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So please be seated.
On photo session.
Remarks from the President. Yes, so may I ask the President to say a few words? Thank you.
The honor of the Embassy of Japan. It's a community of the Salua Primary School, Manono Island. We say now, thanks very much, Japan, for the project about the school building of my island. Thank you. God bless.
So now finally, may I ask all the representatives to join Ambassador and President for the photo session? Could you once again for all of you? Take a photo. Be nice smile.
What's going on? The doors are opening.
for the matu or matu to mafa. Fali to malos sungai. Asia onga malfatu. Nasata vivi a wale fatinoina o tapsanga. Ile sota inga male ofisa o Japan. Ngangala fatai. Ia lewa o vaia tau le leia pe mo ngana le atu. Ia lewa tali fia lo matu. Ia na yema o male. Tamaya au pa. Ia frame sui o matu. Ia malu matu. Tama sia onga. Talenga ya le va mal fatu. Ia mol mawina neyas. Tali atu le male ngan fifia.
Mas foi tão bom para eu falar o Samoa.
Ole terminei o lo tulang al selau limas fulu. Ele selau limas fulu também que o já terminei. Ele matou a onai, mas não tá em salua.
Ole falar uma nessa iai o logo tu inalo.
Ya, o lo falar um o lo já nei ua savali le limas fulu to sama. Na ona lipea inisio vai tau. Ya falar um waia mai le. Tasi von tolu, tasi von fang fa vai. Le la foto a ye le fa mo mo. Ia fale a fo le o ta pena ye. Se na ye nei. Totalo le o che ti wa. Lia.
E so no suone se sia o. Da questa sila di la e fa la wa o ya. La foi senza la ye le tu la wa la yo na fa o le so suone de na lo ya.
Ia o le pea ma salvo toko o standard o tuli au fuku ni tanga tino au ma fua ma fua na wala yona tau sama se soswani yona tulang o fale au ma o le to tau te pai o le sao le mu o whanga ni au whana so le o whafta I tele na I le maro I a kami o le whanu matu whatrak tali mana I tamanei ia le o tali mai a pan o se amano le leile o mo fia fo ia a le lei fale a o mai tamu timu sama le mu fia fo ia alo fa na o mai a o no tola ma pena ia falo
Mos comparate le la fatino ina manuela
o te mine mo ta pena o e fo le comparate o mo na ta pena o ma vai o ora te mine o le na sa o ma to o pro mai ale senari mo ia lo ia le na ma to alo fe matou ia matou ko I tola au ma kontrate na ia mata matou ko se na limo ia ma agreement fa pena ia ba mata ronga
ele contrato
ole vai pa construction
sai
Alô?